Got a Ford Fusions 2020. By the way, my name is Brian. Most of you ask me what's my name. Yes, Brian. So we're gonna run some speaker wire from the speaker right there, the left rear, all the way over here. The power, the ground. I ran the ground, as you can see right there, kind of hide it. I was thinking about doing right there, but this is all the lithium battery. You don't want to touch that. Also, you want to mount this amp right here, but you want to make sure there's a metal right there. You don't want to use the self-tapping screw. You just want to use a short, I think this is ½ inch, maybe less than ½ inch. Maybe that's a quarter of an inch screw. Just screw it to this piece right there. It won't damage anything on the bottom. So I'll screw right there after I'm done. But right now I ran this, I bridged it to 2 speakers. It's gonna be right here. This is a 4-channel amp, so I'm gonna use just this 2-channel right there to a 210 MTX. It's an older one. And also I use a line out converter. It's Kislock 2. Kislock 2 got a remote output itself, so anything send a signal from the radio, the speaker, gonna go to positive and negative. So I got white and gray is positive, and then white, gray, black is negative. So I'm gonna start doing that and running to this positive. So whichever color you have, you got positive, negative. Also, if you use a red is positive. And he just pulled my wire out. Alright, so as you can see, I got the red to the battery, and then I got the remote from the line out converter, which is the blue wire, gonna go to the remote. And the black, I also have the small black wire from the line out converter. So I bridge this to positive and to negative to the speakers, and also I run the jacks to the input of the amp. On the back left rear speaker, I got the positive gonna go to green violet, and gray is negative. So green violet is positive and gray violet is negative. That's to the line out converter. We was talking about the positive and the negative. And then now I gotta take the mic out the top. I have to disable this mic right here, the front mic and the front passenger mic. This one is kind of magnet, so you can reach your hand, pull it like this, try not to dent anything. It's magnet, and then unplug it from the inside. Reach your hand, and I can't show you because I can't put my camera up there, so reach your hand and unplug it. Right here, what you do, you take a flat hat and pop it out. There's I think it's T15. So it's gonna look like this right here. So you take a flat hat and put on here and pop it straight out. It's just a clip. It won't hurt anything. Now it's a T15 right here. Remove that, and this